Hello, I'm Danny, welcome to BHP Cars. Right, we're back in the garage and it is an absolute pigsty. I've had the TIG welder out, got the MIG welder out. It is chaotic, but we are winning. Right, so we now have the engine fitted. The engine is mounted, and that is something I thought I'd never ever say. So we have the Sputnik down there, we have the roundy mount down there, we have the mount over there, and then the last mount which I've made is here. Now this looks a bit of a mess because I've run out of gas on my TIG now, so I've had to do this with the MIG, and I'm not, it'll all tidy up. This is the bush that I made the other day in a previous video or a coming video, depending how I publish all this. But the engine, I would say it's pretty good. You can't move it, it can't go anywhere because it's bolted in now. So I am happy, in fact I am ecstatic. It's sitting exactly how I wanted it. It's perfect. So next thing to do is I've got to chop this bar out because I've got to get the inlet manifold all lined up. Which is going to be another fun challenge for me to deal with, but it's got to be done. So, and then once that's chopped out, I'm going to literally chop it as late as I can. Once that's chopped, then I will cut out all the other crap I don't need. I've got another cross member to put in once I've got the exhaust in, so you can see one bit there and one bit down there, so that's got to go back in. And this will all be strengthened as it should be. But yeah, overall it is a monstrous day-to-day progress. I've still got one weld to do underneath this edge and that edge down there as well, just this one underneath. I just can't get a TIG gun in the angle and it's pissing me off, and then I run out of gas and I can't be arsed. But yeah, so we're making progress. It's all good, really. So yeah, so the next task is to try and get the inlet manifold on, and then get this, obviously, this bar chopped out. So once that's all chopped, and I've got to do a bit of marking up and stuff, chop, and then I'll make up some triangulation and whatnot. But yeah, anyway, right, stick around and enjoy. We'll have a look and see where a few things go. So I've worked out where the alternator goes and bolts on, but the problem is that the pipe there, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but between there and there is nothing, so I can't get a pipe on there. So that's a pain in the arse. And I thought, oh, I'll get my exhaust manifold on, and can't get that on because it clashes on the top of the bar. So I thought, right, okay, well, I'm pretty sure an aftermarket one's a bit smaller and a bit tighter and it'll all fit. So I thought I'll just get the cat installed just so I know where the pipe comes out at the bottom here. It's like, yeah, okay, I can work with that. That's where the exhaust is going to come out. And then you realise, yeah, right in that bar. So I'm kind of at a bit of a loss, really. Yeah, don't know really what to do. I don't really want to. I've got to chop this bar out to get the inlet manifold in. If I chop that bar out, there's nothing holding left and right together. So I need to have a think, and a bloody good one at that, really. I mean, I could chop. Well, the idea at the moment is to chop the new exhaust back to here, put one of these flanges on, fit a flexi pipe, just a short flexi pipe. Which would then bring it to here, basically bring it kind of to here, and then have a pipe that comes on out here, and then a pretty sharpish 90 degree that comes round, and then once you get round to here, we'll loop it up. Oh, sorry, when you get round to here, we'll loop it up, and then kind of have something going on there. Yeah, another bloody headache. I'm just hoping that the aftermarket manifold will fit in nicely there, because I'm not moving the engine. Well, I'll have to, I suppose, but I can't really see where I'd move it to be honest. It's exactly where I want it. I mean, look at this, look how tight it is. There's nothing, you know, that is so solid in there. So I'm hoping that my welding on here is good enough. I've got to tidy that up, but I've got to tidy this bracket up down there as well. It's quite embarrassing, really, but we'll just brush over that for now. Yeah, so I mean, I've not even looked at the fact that the handbrake cable is sitting on the exhaust at the moment. Yes, lovely challenge awaits. But as always, I'll work it out. Lots of sleepless nights. And yeah, I'm going to have a tidy up because I frankly can't be asked today. I'm pretty much done, so, and I think my battery's about down. So anyway, thanks for watching. So it's not the best of updates, but you know, I'll keep you posted of what's going on and all that sort of crap. So please do make sure you like, share, subscribe, thumbs up and all that shenanigans, and I'll catch you all in the next video.